Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Wendy's. We have a burger that is new that just came out, which is the, what is this? The bacon, I think something cheese. Anyways, I don't know. I'll write the name down below. This is what it looks like. It's the new one. Ooh, okay. It has bacon, cheese bread or whatever. Ooh, that's hot. Here's what it looks like. Hoping nobody's parked next to me. Okay. I feel like this is going to be a messy one. Okay. Mm. It's good. No, I think that's bacon. I have Zeus in the front with me here on the passenger side. I mean, so far so good. How am I making a mess already? Guys, Zeus ate a french fry without any sauce on it. It's quite rare. Because last time he didn't like that. Ooh. Okay, I need a napkin. I'm running out on napkins. Zeusy, if you guys hear panting, it's because of my dog. I have all the windows open, but you're gonna hear it more because he's literally right. His head's like right near the phone. So, here, baby, you want one? Wow, he's eating french fries with no sauce. Good boy. We went to this area today, which was a total waste of time, honestly. Didn't see any elk, nothing. Bacon for Zeus. Good boy. But I guess next time we won't go there, period, but we'll go somewhere else next time. But what's a little annoying is every time I go out, which is not often, but when I do, my mom likes to make me feel bad about it. You know? Every single time. So it's just like, am I not allowed to have fun? I don't party, I don't do anything normal people my age do. I go to secluded, private, like to the freaking woods to be alone. Once a month usually, or twice a month. I'll take a trip. I don't go anywhere. She likes to make it seem like I do, but I don't really. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. So it's the bacon cheddar. I can taste the cheddar. For sure can taste the cheddar. Whatever, I can't speak. So after this I'm gonna head home. Ugh. Oh, speaking of which, I bought some mystery snails. I got an ivory snail, apple snail, which is like the orangey ones, and then this blue one. I think, if I got the names right, I think they're ivory, apple for the orange ones. You want one? Oh, now he doesn't want it because there's no sauce. Here, sauce. Good boy. Here, Zeus, you little schmuck, eat it. I was gonna throw it outside, but then I was like, no, too big, not good for birds to eat it. So it's got some stuff inside. I'm trying to figure out what that is. It looks like some type of bacon cuts, maybe? I don't know. Excuse me, so sorry. So yeah, my mom like makes me feel guilty for going out, which I don't know. It's like she doesn't want me to have fun. Every single time. What? It's annoying. Yeah, but so yeah, there's that. There's a family kind of parked near me that I'm hoping they don't hear me. I'm feeling better after getting my shot. Much better today. Yesterday I felt like poo. Not good at all. My body was like weak, cold. I was so tired and cold. It was crazy. Why is everybody cutting right here? Weird. So yeah, I don't know. This is a lot of food. I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot. So that's cheddar bread, which is kind of like, reminds me of a bagel. Like a cheddar bagel. Yeah, it's definitely what it reminds me of. Try not to eat so much at once because I don't know, I just don't want to. Here's Lucy. No? With a little bit of sauce? I don't think he likes sweet and sour sauce. Good boy. Here, you can get this also. Such a good boy. I wish there was a way to put also him on the video with me. He looks so cute. He has his bed over here. He's looking cute and chunky. Right, Lucy? Yummy. I'm thinking of breaking the rest of what I don't eat into small pieces so he can eat it. So sorry guys, I'm trying to see the time. If you see me looking down, this is because I'm looking at the time. I'm going to take one more bite and then give the rest to him. The breading tastes like a cheddar bread. It's good. I don't know if I would normally put it with a combo like this, but it ain't bad. I'm talking. Not bad. Let me know if you guys have a parent who comes and complains when you go out, or just nags and tries to make you feel bad. Like, no matter what. All the time. Doesn't matter if I'm working or if I'm not. All the time. And I don't go out often. Trust me. I don't. Usually I'll take a far trip like once a month or twice a month. And by far I mean like less than 2 hours away by myself. Is this? No? Okay. There's a lot of food. I wonder if he's going to be able to eat some of this. Damn, okay. He ate that piece like it was nothing. Alright. Dude, swallow. I mean, you gotta chew your food. Don't just swallow it whole. He's my big dog. He'll swallow his food without really chewing it. Now he's doing the same thing. Chew, baby, chew. Excuse me, chew. He's such a crazy boy. Can't believe he doesn't want to swallow his food. Did I show you guys the mystery smells that I got? Yeah, I did, right? Yeah. These ones, they're so cute. I'm gonna head home. I still have like a whole bunch of fries left. I don't think I'm gonna finish them. Just take one more. Maybe I'll snack on them on the way home. But I'm gonna get home before she does, so she doesn't hang me. She won't, but you know what I mean. Figuratively or whatever. This food was okay. Not really that great. I don't think I would get it personally for myself again, but it was alright to try, at least to experience a little something different. I got my purse hanging over here, or backpack I should say, with all my stuff. Put my fries here. Where should I put this? Over here. And this over here. And this over here. And just get ready to get out of here. So yeah, if I'm in a funky mood, guys, that's why, pretty much. I don't know. I'm just trying to like go out once in a blue moon, and when I do, she likes to make me feel bad. It's always like this. I don't know. I'll take one more sip. I'm next to a dealership. Also Walmart, so in between. Anyways, I love you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.